In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Dreamweaver. This can be a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your website and create a more immersive user experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your HTML file in Dreamweaver. This is where the magic happens. Once you have your file open, the next step is to access the page properties. You can do this either by heading up to the top menu and clicking on File and then selecting Page Properties, or you can find a quicker route with the Page Properties button located conveniently in the Properties panel. Now, a dialog box should pop up, offering you a range of options. Your main focus here is the Appearance CSS category. This is where you have the opportunity to alter the way your page looks, which includes adding a background image. When you're in the Appearance CSS section, keep an eye out for the background image field. This is crucial for our task at hand. What you'll want to do next is click on the Browse button adjacent to the background image field. This will let you navigate through your files to find the perfect image that you've been itching to use for your background. Selecting the right image is important, as it contributes to the overall theme and vibe of your website. Now, it's essential to ensure that the image file you choose is inside your site folder. Whether it's in an Images subfolder or somewhere else within your site's directory, this step is vital for Dreamweaver to properly reference the image. If your image is not in the correct location, you might end up with a broken link or a missing image on your web page. After you've picked your image, you have some creative freedom with how the image repeats. This can be adjusted using the Repeat drop-down menu. You'll notice options such as Repeat, which tiles the image in both directions, No Repeat, if you want just a single image to display without tiling, Repeat X to tile horizontally, and Repeat E to tile vertically. Choose the one that best fits the aesthetic you are aiming for. Once all these settings are configured to your liking, click OK to apply these changes. Don't forget to save your file. It's always a good practice to save your work frequently to avoid losing any changes. Finally, take a moment to preview your page in a browser. This step allows you to ensure that the background image is appearing just the way you envisioned it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background image to your HTML file in Dreamweaver, enhancing your web page's design and user experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful.